Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing my model off-duty sleek back, like slick back, sleek back, middle part, claw clip hair tutorial. I feel like everyone's got so many different names for this kind of look, so I've got no idea what I'm going to call this video, but it's been highly requested of how I get my hair so sleek and what products I use, so I'm going to be doing that today and just sharing with you one of the hairstyles that I do pretty much every other day really, when my hair is not freshly washed. So yeah, I'm going to be sharing the products that I use, and you let me know in the comments below if you've got any video recommendations of things that you would like for me to do. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and let's get on into the hair tutorial. So the main thing about this hairstyle is that it definitely works better when you've not washed your hair. So I've not washed my hair for about 4 days now, which is really disgusting, but once it's up in this hairstyle you really can't tell. I also did it yesterday. I had it tied up yesterday, so it's got a little bit of product in it anyway, so it's just kind of disgusting really, but it works best for this hairstyle. So I use a different brush than I use to just do my hair normally, because obviously if I'm brushing my hair when it's got product in it and it's greasy, like, you don't want to then be using that same brush on your nice clean hair. So I just use the wet brush. It really doesn't matter what hairbrush you use, you can just use whatever. Yeah, just make sure there's no tangles in your hair. You're going to want a medium-sized hair bobble, the bun that I do when I've got the middle part like showing. So I got this brush from Superdrug. It's just like a bristle back brush, back combing like brush, and it's also got this like pointy end. So I use this to make sure that I get a straight middle parting. Now that you've got the middle parting, you just want to keep kind of a front section like this out, and then I'm going to start by putting this all up. Then I'll start using the wet brush to smooth that all back. I'm going to use this brush to literally just pull it back and pull these front bits back in to meet the rest of it. So now that I've got it at the back of my head like this and it all feels pretty smooth, I'm just going to put it in the bobble. Do people call it bobble, like a hair bobble or a hair tie? I've always said hair bobble, I don't know why. Now that you've got your hair in this ponytail, and you can see your middle part is still visible, obviously you can do this hairstyle without the middle part and you literally just brush everything back. Sometimes I do that, but I think it just looks quite cool with the middle parting. It seems to be quite in right now. But I go in with the product that literally changed my life when it came to this hairstyle. I've got quite bad baby hairs. They're being quite well behaved today, but this literally slicks everything back amazingly, and it is the Way matte pomade. I got it online. I can't remember if I ordered it from Way or Cult Beauty or something like that, but it's basically like this pomade. It's lasted me really well. I got this at the beginning of the first lockdown, I think, and you probably want to get about that much. I just warm it up in between my fingers, and then I just start brushing back or pressing back any baby hairs there are. Like, I should put a little egg emoji in this title of the video. You can also put it through the ends to smooth the ponytail. This is when I find easier then to go back in with the brush, so you can see it's starting to kind of like go a bit bumpy. So you can literally, now that that product is in your hair, use the brush to just really slick everything back. If you find that you're getting loads of like build up back here of like hair, not build up of hair, like if you're brushing everything back and it's like starting to get a bit bumpy back there, then you can just readjust the ponytail. But to be honest, if you've done it tight in the first place, there should just be baby hairs really. So that is that. And then you can either leave it like this and just have like a ponytail, you can plait this, you can do all sorts, like go absolutely wild. But what I've been doing is using a claw clip and just basically twisting the pony and then going up, down, up. It kind of depends how long your hair is. And then securing that in like so. So you've got a few pokey out bits there. You can see a baby hair. Oh no, it's not, it's one of the bits at the back. My eyesight is absolutely horrendous. I should really have put the camera a bit closer to me. But yeah, I don't know if you can see that. That is how I do my bun. My claw clips were from Amazon. I think I've mentioned them in one of my previous vlogs. The brush that I use is from Superdrug. The other brush is Wet Brush. Any hair bob or hair band will work. And this is the pomade that I use, the Way one. But again, I think there is a lot of other products on the market, but this is the only one that I have tried for this look, and I will continue buying. I think it's just amazing. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed seeing how I create this hair. I had a lot of comments on my Instagram actually of how I get it this sleek. So yeah, it's definitely down to the product and just making sure that your hair is not like just freshly washed, because that really helps with getting it sleek. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.